Hey everybody, this is A&N Sports Cards coming at you with a personal box break for Kyle P. Kyle P. He got box number 41 using the dice. Good luck, Kyle. Kyle is live in the room. We're recording this for YouTube. Anybody wants a personal box, check out A&N Sports Cards. No discograph. Check out ANNSportsCards.com. Feels a little heavy. Not book heavy, but heavy. So, good luck, good luck. Good old AJ. Alright guys, here we go. Good luck, Kyle. He is taking the hits and numbered only. You got a ruby. And a nice one. Base, and you got Vitor Belfort to 88. Nice card. Tito Ortiz to 188. Nice card. And Henenbarao to 8. Very nice box. Wow, that's the first ruby out of this case. We'll put the camera up a little bit. First ruby out of this case. Nice. Very nice. Henenbarao. Did it sell for $1,000? Base. Hector Lombard at numbered 288. And you got a knockout base auto of Alistair Overeem. We just pulled the red ink Alistair. Now we got the regular base. Alistair Overeem has plenty of time to sign right now. Yeah, this is your premium pieces. Told you it was heavy, but not book heavy. We've got Wyman to 88. He's got plenty of time to sign now. You got an autograph to 50 coming up. Good luck. Nate Diaz. Nice. Very nice. Solid box so far. 2 packs. Well, because his management team just released him. He doesn't have to worry about them pulling them up. Good luck. Vitor Belfort again to 88. Base, and Anthony Pettis to 209. 101 of 209. Very solid box so far. Halfway through. Very solid box. Wow. Alistair Overeem again, the 188. Overeem hop case. Base. And, goes this way. Chan Sung Young to 188. And I've pulled probably 100 of these. Oh, I think that's it right there. Nope. Just a heavy. It's probably a printing plate. Just a printing plate. No big deal. It's heavy. Oh, wait, well, no. Nothing. Wow. Antonio Rodrigo Nogueira, I'm just getting weak in my old age, to 88. Base. And Kung Lee to 299. No plates in this? No book. Triple Threads book? Could be. Could be a Triple Threads book. Could be a redemption for a book. There's lots of redemption books. You got John Fitch, Bases and Jake Ellenberger to 188. Jake Ellenberger to 188. And last pack. It looks like it's going to be a premium pieces. Hopefully it's autographed for you. Real quick. No, not a premium pieces at all. You've got Mark Munoz to 188. Bases. And Joe Lozon, Matt card. So, congratulations, Kyle. Pretty solid box, except for the last 2 packs. Thanks for breaking one at A9sportscards.com. For everybody else, check out A9sportscards.com. Thanks for watching.